The Flamingo remote control lets you manage your recordings easily, hands-free, and without touching your computer. First, let's look at the remote itself. You have the Start Pause button, the Screenshot button, and the Pairing button. You can read the system status from the on-screen indicators. Here is the remote control connection strength and the remote control battery status. You can also check the Flamingo device battery and the current recording status. To wake up the remote, give a short press on the pairing button. On the screen, you will see the text Ready. To pair, press and hold the pairing button for 3 seconds until the text on screen changes from Ready to Pairing. Then, in the software, go to Settings, Advanced, and click Pair Remote. To perform a hard reset and force the remote to forget its connection, press and hold the pairing button for 7 seconds. Now let's talk about the features of the remote control. Press the Start Pause button to start or pause your recording. To capture still images during a recording, press the Screenshot button. Freeze mode allows you to pause the frame during recording. To activate it, press and hold the Screenshot button for 3 seconds. To unfreeze, simply press any button on the remote. Videos can be saved without touching the computer. A long press on the Start Pause button activates the Save option. A pop-up window will appear in the Flamingo app. An 8-second timer begins. If no action is taken within this period, the recording will be automatically saved under a default name. You still can rename the recording later. To resume the recording process, press the Start Pause button again.